fuck you!
Man, what the fuck? That's me.
What is going on, everybody? Back with the channel. Welcome back, Steven.
Oh, hey there.
First order of business, I forgot my socks. So I have to go back and get the socks. Like usual, IG sponsor, subscribe, like button, all the stuff. Go ahead and do that for me real quick. It would help us out a lot. Especially Steven, because he's trying to figure out if he want to start a channel for the Prelude. Right, Steven? Today is the appointment for the windshield replacement of the Prelude. And what's gonna happen is that we'll take the Prelude, get the appointment done, and then show you guys something cool in the Civic. Time to head to the appointment.
Yeah. Cascade.
Auto Supply. Ooh. So last night we parked the Prelude at James' house, and now we're gonna take it to the Cascade Auto Glass. Appointment is at 1 o'clock. It's about 12:30, 12:40 right now. Not too far of a drive. Ooh, Sonic. Made it to the Cascade Auto Glass. About to head in and get this done with. We're also gonna return the dildo shift knob to the mall. Dropped off the Prelude. Think they're gonna take good care of it, or they're gonna like, because it's a Prelude. So here is the shift knob and the shifter conversion. So now I don't have to push any button, just push it down and then bam. How about that? How this works is that this is a automatic shift knob adapter from Speed Dog. And this is just a Dragon Ball Z Dragon Ball from Amazon. The shift knob itself, there's two parts to it. There is a little sleeve that goes inside this portion right here, and that acts as a little spring, so you can press the that button on the shifter. And this costs about like 36 bucks. It's pretty cool, I would say so. The only thing that you need to mess around with is the shift boot, because since this pushed down, you can't really put it up here, so it's not going to be secured, so someone could yank the shift boot down. So what I ended up doing is zip tying the shift boot a little bit further down, so I have space to move, but it doesn't affect the shift boot. Pretty clever. This type of adapter can only take 16 by 1.5 size threaded shift knobs, so pretty much any American manual shift knob. Thoughts and opinions?
Oh, good job, man. That's the first step to being an engineer.
Yeah, I will show you guys how to do it later on. Don't mind me, just gonna grab this real quick. It's time to let it go because it's not worth it. Doesn't fit. Well, we successfully returned the shift knob. He was like, oh boy, this is an interesting item you got there. And then I was like, yeah, that's not what you think, sir. And then
I would have guessed it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Pick and pull, guys. Let's do this. Hey, get off. Get.
Look at it. It's white.
Hey, look.
Nope.
It's bird shit. Oh, damn, bro. Used tires, dude. Hell yeah. Oh, I found a Civic right there. Ooh, it's probably gonna get crushed. Last time I was in here, me and my dad got some stuff for his minivan. Super cool.
Like a supercharger?
Yeah, so we're looking for row 16 and 43. They have an 88 and 91 Prelude in the respective locaciones. Oh, they have price match here too.
Or get some tires and then sell it on offer up for $20 more.
Damn. Oh, dude, look at this Camaro. Probably just a shell at this point for that thing. Very nice, dude. Let's. Ooh, what if we see some fucked up Type R in here?
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Nothing like going to pick and pull. You feel so depressed for these cars. That's
It's like a graveyard, but you see everybody's bodies. That's starter, man. Oh no, it isn't. Yeah, it's an alternator.
who in the world? Stephen, the type to take an alternator as a starter.
Oh, well, I saw the juts that are coming out.
Okay, big boy.
It's really
That's
ADM.
Oh, BDM. Oh look, and the intake is half of it is gone. I don't know what the fuck we need. That's a fucked up headlight housing that they took already. Is this hood any better than ours?
Huh?
Oh, holy shit! Oh, it's an automatic.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh, I wouldn't touch it. I might catch some STDs, dude. Like, just kidding. Yeah, looks like a.
Hey, you wanna get this? The driver's side door is actually not bad.
Okay, get it if you can. We don't have tools. We're supposed to bring our own tools.
Shit. The front seat belts are missing. The rear one's still there, but there's no front seat belt. So if we wanted to replace it, we could from this car.
Good thing there's one more. But it's not the same model year.
Do you think the sunroof? Oh, dude, the sunroof is intact.
Yep. We're in a different row. Row 43. Looking for the Prelude. It's probably stripped again. Oh, here it is. Hello, motherfucker. Seat's still good, bro.
Hmm?
The seat's still good. Wrong car.
What's this one?
No.
Oh, Acura.
This one, homie. I'm pretty sure. I'm like 20%
Oh yeah,
sure.
it's true.
Seat's still good. Hey.
Dude, for real though. I think it's the leather though. It's not the plastic piece, right? Oh, hey there. Didn't see you.
Ooh, headers. Just kidding.
Ah.
So this one is the 1991 model year. Same generation, so it shouldn't be too much of a difference in the parts stuff.
If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit though.
Steven is in session.
I just popped it off with the impromptu tool. So the lock, yeah, basically the lock's just in there. So you need to find a way to get to that metal. Probably these cars will be here for a long time, so.
Probably stripped out by the time we come back.
Oh, yeah, that might fit.
With an emphasis on might. The Prelude is ready to get picked up, so we're gonna go back and get it real quick. After checking it out. Ooh.
Got this one. So if it's the wrong size, then we can just return it.
Good
I'm just,
stuff.
Crossing my fingers that the difference is not that much, that we can like at least fit it, and if not, we can just cut out like a little bit to make it fit. Hopefully.
Good stuff. Let's go get the Prelude. Ooh, time to see this real quick. Ooh, ooh. Oh! Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
The blue doesn't look too bad. The blue doesn't look too bad, dude. It's like on the red.
That's pretty sex. So as I promised, I'll show you guys a little bit of how to take this apart. So what happened is there are these two push-in clip right here on either side, and what it does is that it retains the ring right here, which was attached onto the boot via hidden zip ties. Pretend it's still on the shifter. So ring, shift boot right here, and by that it should cover the push pin. So locate the bulge, go down here, press it in, boom, strip it right down. And what you want to do next, take off a screw that goes right here, and after you take off that screw, you want to peel this part off, which you can use one of these thing right here to pick. Just pry it off. Once you remove this, there is another screw in here that you want to take off, and after you take off this one, the whole thing should come right off. And after that, you can go ahead and put in the speed dog shift knob, work the shift boot however you want. What I did is I pull down the boot a little bit to cut these zip tie, and then take out the ring, and all that's left is just the boot, and then I zip tie it around the shifter itself. So hopefully that makes any sense to you. There is actually a video that I'll probably link below that has a step-by-step tutorial on how to take off the CVT shift knobs on the automatic Civics, the attention Civics pretty much. And yeah, this is a great shifter. I like it. What do you think, Steven?
I think it's pretty good for an automatic.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Nothing else to do. I did order a new shift knob for the Prelude. It's gonna fit this time, I promise you. And it should be coming, tomorrow. So we got that going for us. But besides that, I'll end the vlog right here and pick it back up some other time in the near future.